Okay, let's talk about a snapshot. A snapshot storing, moving the camera, environment, everything except material. First, snapshot. We right click and rename it to 1. If you click on here, you can see it store camera position, it store environment, it store background, floor setting, sunlight, visibility, transformation. I mean, for example, if you select object, something like this, and store these things. Okay, we now move this on and change the camera position and a snapshot number 2. Right click, rename number 2. You can see and hit enter. And in the right click, you can see update from the scene. If you move something, you can update, rename it, delete it. It's moving up. You can see it store these things if you want. But if you don't want, you can, for example, turn off visibility, turn off floor or anything. But if you can, double click on this snapshot, it's go in that scene. Double click, it's go in this scene. So this is you can store position and come back to your default scene if you want. Store everything, store camera position, environment, and so on. So the main purpose of the snapshot may be in animation render, but unfortunately I'm in a demo version, and it's the render you have to, if you purchase, you have to see turn turbo render, animation scene render. You can use the snapshots there, but I'm in a demo. That's it.